A huge tornado has just hit the U.S., leaving behind a trail of destruction. The powerful storm tore through multiple areas, destroying homes, flipping cars, and bringing down power lines. Emergency services are working tirelessly to rescue those trapped in the debris. Eyewitnesses describe it as one of the most violent tornadoes in recent history, with winds so strong that buildings were ripped apart in seconds. Thousands of people have been displaced. Scientists say extreme weather like this is becoming more frequent. Stay safe, stay informed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates.